Hi everyone, let's dive into how to ace the TOEFL IBT test in 2024. Whether you're new to the test or you're looking to improve, there's something here for you. Step 1. Identify your profile. Are you pressed for time with minimal English skill building required, or do you need more time and English skill enhancement? Knowing your profile helps determine your study approach. Consider factors like your current English proficiency, test familiarity, and available study time. Step number 2. Take practice tests. Assess your current level and understand where you stand. This sets the foundation for improvement. Analyze your strengths and weaknesses across different sections, which is listening, reading, speaking, and writing. It's crucial to identify areas that need most attention. Step number 3. Set realistic expectations. Depending on your starting point and goals, estimate how long it will take to achieve your desired scores. Remember, improvement takes time. Consider factors like your target score, current proficiency, study habits, and available study time. Keep in mind that significant score improvements may require months of dedicated study. Step number 4. Collect resources. Depending on your budget and preferences, gather study materials. The options range from online resources to paid courses and private lessons. Look for resources that cater to your specific needs, whether it's improving language skills, mastering test strategies, or both. Step number 5. Practice smart. Set daily goals aligned with your weaknesses and work on improving specific skills. Focus on active learning methods such as practice tests, flashcards, and interactive exercises. Additionally, seek feedback from teachers or study partners to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you will be on the way to the right. By following these steps, you will be on the right track to excel in the TOEFL IBT test. Remember, practice consistently and focus on areas that need improvement. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.